Jack was a boy who loved nothing more than lounging on the couch, eyes glued to the television screen. Day in and day out, he whiled away the hours with his favorite shows, never bothering to explore the world beyond his living room. One lazy afternoon, as Jack sat in his usual spot, a flash of color caught his eye. He blinked in surprise as a vibrant parrot swooped through the room, its feathers gleaming in the sunlight streaming through the window. Irritated by the disturbance, Jack leaped up from the couch and chased after the bird, determined to shoo it away. But as he stepped outside, he found himself in a meadow, bathed in golden sunlight, the grass swaying gently in the breeze. Jack's irritation melted away as he took in the beauty around him, his eyes widening in wonder. For the first time in his life, Jack felt truly alive. He wandered through the meadow, marveling at the colors of the flowers, the songs of the birds, and the warmth of the sun on his skin. He laughed and danced, feeling a joy he had never known before. As the day stretched on, Jack found himself reluctant to leave the meadow behind. But as the sun began to dip below the horizon, casting the sky in shades of orange and pink, he knew it was time to return home. With a newfound spring in his step, Jack made his way back to his house, his heart full of gratitude for the unexpected adventure that had transformed his lazy day into one of wonder and discovery. From that day forward, Jack spent less time in front of the television and more time exploring the world around him. And though he still enjoyed his favorite shows from time to time, he knew that nothing could compare to the beauty and magic of the world outside his window. Thank you for watching Artzy Monkey Channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel.